Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fusion headlight. Before starting, make sure your vehicle is cool. You'll need a few basic tools like a socket wrench, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, and gloves. Also, have your new headlight bulbs ready. We'll use specific Torx bits, a 10mm socket, and needle nose pliers to get the job done smoothly. This guide will help you improve your nighttime visibility. Many Ford Fusion models require removing the front bumper cover to access the headlights. First, lift your vehicle to reach the lower splash shield and fender liner. Remove any hardware and clips. Next, disconnect the two electrical connectors underneath the passenger side and a 120-pin connector on the driver's side. Then, remove 3 Torx fasteners and 6 plastic clips from the top. Finally, carefully pull the bumper cover off and set it aside. With the bumper cover removed, you can now access the headlight assemblies. On the driver's side, there might be an extra harness to disconnect. Next, remove the 2 Torx bolts found on the top of each headlight assembly. Carefully pull the assembly back a few inches to expose the main electrical connector. Disconnect this connector, and then you can slide the entire headlight assembly completely out of the vehicle. Now for the bulb replacement. Take the headlight assembly to a workbench and remove the weather protective covers. Carefully twist the old bulbs 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove them. When installing new bulbs, handle them with gloves to avoid touching the glass. Insert the new bulbs, twisting them 1/4 turn clockwise to lock them in place. Finally, reassemble everything by reversing the removal steps, ensuring all connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.